Hi, I have the flu, but we got Hikari Skittles. I won't be trying them yet, but Larry wants to try. Why don't you hold the bag back some so people can see you? Oh god. That is like 6 of them.
6. Let's see.
I think you have no taste buds. I just did like 4 more. Y'all. You're very unfazed. Go take Tums. All
That was 12.
Oh my god. Alright. Love you, Hikari. The part 2 of Larry doing the Skittles because he didn't suck on them, so now he's gonna suck on them. No, you're chewing. I hear you chew. No chews. You had a little bit of a face for a second. How is that gone? Oh, there it is. I don't know. Does it taste more sour if you suck on it? Do another one. And suck, no chew. Keep it off your teeth. You're laughing. Does it make you saliva a lot? Yeah. But no, like, sour? Speak. You have to talk. I want your opinion.
They're a little sour that way, but I'm used to eating sour stuff anyway, so it's not too bad. And that was with 2 of them.
Okay, so sucking on them does not much difference.